In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert an image into a Photoshop template the right way, using smart objects so everything fits perfectly without messing up your design. This is one of the most important Photoshop skills if you're working with templates, mockups, or any kind of pre-made design. And the best part is, once you learn this once, you can use it forever. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, go ahead and open your Photoshop template file, which will usually be a PSD file. You can do this by going to File, then Open, and selecting your template. Once it loads, you'll see your design along with multiple layers in the Layers panel on the right-hand side. Now this is where most beginners get confused, but don't worry, I'll make this super simple. In the Layers panel, you want to look for a layer that says something like Place Image, your image here, or it might be labeled as a smart object. Sometimes it has a small icon in the corner of the thumbnail, which indicates that it's a smart object. This is the layer you need to edit. Once you've found it, double-click directly on the thumbnail of that smart object layer. Make sure you're clicking the thumbnail, not the layer name. As soon as you double-click it, Photoshop will open a new tab. This tab is basically the container where your image will go. Think of it like stepping inside the template to replace the content. Now inside this new tab, go up to the top menu, click on File, then choose Place Embedded. This will allow you to select any image from your computer. Go ahead and pick the image you want to insert into your template. Once you select it, your image will appear inside the canvas. At this point, you may need to resize it so it fits properly. Just click and drag the corners to adjust the size. Make sure everything looks good and is positioned correctly. When you're happy with it, press Enter to confirm the placement. Now here comes the most important step that many people forget. You need to save this smart object, so press Ctrl and S on your keyboard, or go to File and click Save. This step updates the main template with your new image. After saving, you can close this tab. As soon as you go back to your original template, you'll see that your image has automatically appeared inside the design, perfectly placed and adjusted according to the template. And that's it. That's how you insert an image into a Photoshop template quickly and correctly using smart objects. This method works for mockups, social media templates, thumbnails, and pretty much any PSD file you download online. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.